guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look for you guys, but first I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's just begin. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with the foundation. I already did my primer and my eyebrows. You guys see me using you guys see me using the primer and my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these two, because if I only use this by itself, it's going to be super white for me. So I like to mix these two. And the foundation I'm going to use is CoverGirl. Mix it with Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin. This one right here. Don't mind the mess, but I use it a lot. And I'm just gonna pour these together. I'm gonna mix it together, and I'm gonna put it here and mix it. And the plate, I got this from Bella Posh. For the link for you guys, and I will put it in the description box. Hopefully I find it. I don't know, I don't remember how much I paid for this thing, so if not, I'm sure Amazon has many of these little mixed makeup plate. Check this. And I'm going to mix this one, and it's just gonna be one drop because I don't need much of that color since I'm a little pale. So I'm gonna put this. It's still a little white, but you use contour and bronzer and everything will be fine. I use this just to put it all around my face. Use my Real Technique sponge. It's a little wet, but not like soaking wet. It's just a little bit tiny wet. I'm just gonna blend it all together. This is one of my favorite beauty sponge. To start with, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eye, and I'm going to do my crease. And the brush I'm going to use is by Sigma. It's this one right here. And just going to create a crease. Blend. Go ahead and use this palette right here by Motive, and the color I'm going to use is this light teal blue, and the name of that one is the name of that teal color is Pandora Strange. I will call it different, which this will focus, but it probably won't, but it's right there, Pandora right there. So that's the name of that teal color, very strange. And the best part of this comes with a mirror. Awesome. They think of everything. I love palette that it has a mirror on it, because sometimes you just want to take one palette with you if you travel, and if you don't want to carry a mirror, that's perfect because it's in your palette. So I love every palette that comes with a mirror. To me, that is a must-have, because sometimes you just don't want to carry so much stuff with you. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to put this color on my crease. Not my crease, sorry, my lid. Forgive me. That color, this color is gorgeous. Ooh. And very, very pigmented, very mermaid, like a sea. Beautiful. These colors are amazing. They are so, I am impressed. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous teal blue Pandora. And it is a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, I will just put it all over my face. So then I'm gonna use this color right here, and I'm gonna use this for, I'm gonna put it on my crease. And the brush I'm going to use is by Morphe, and it's this one right here. It's a blending brush. Just gonna tap. Ooh, that is pigmented. Wow. Let's see. Whew, look at that. You guys see? This color is so pigmented. I love this palette. I never use it. Onto the outer crease, and I'm gonna use like a darker color, and the brush I'm gonna use is by Real Technique. It's this one right here. You guys see me using this one all the time, and I gotta buy hair that, because look at that. No bueno. Anyway, so this is gonna be for my outer crease. This one right here. This brown, dark brown. Just gonna go ahead and tap. I am really loving the color. The teal color is gorgeous. I love it. I'm gonna tap. Ooh, this is beautiful. You guys know I like my smoky. This is gonna be here in the outer crease, and I'm gonna stop it right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. But I am very surprised there's no fall off on my face. So this is a really good quality eyeshadow, and I'm very surprised because I haven't seen no eyeshadow loose at all. See? Clean. Very impressed. So now I'm just gonna blend everything with a clean brush, and the one I'm using is by Sigma, and it is the E25. So I'm just gonna it's a clean brush. I'm just gonna blend everything out and with a clean brush. If you guys see me keep looking over here, I have a mirror right there. Use this light color right here, and the brush I'm using is by Sigma, and this one is E55. And here my brow bone. This is so pretty. Really like starting to like a lot. What if? When it comes to blue and greens are not my #1 pick, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I don't know what it is, but those are my favorite. The green and the blues, that's my favorite colors to use for eyeshadow. I don't know why, and they're not my favorite. If you know me, you know what's my favorite color. And comment down below and let me know what's my favorite color. I want to see if you guys really know me. Look at how beautiful this blue one is. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to do a makeup tutorial with this blue right here. And I already did like a green color, but this green, it is so gorgeous. The underneath of my eyes, so the same thing I did on top, I'm gonna do on the bottom. And move to my eyelashes. I'm gonna skip this part because you guys see me how I do my lashes. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip this part, and I will be right back. I'm gonna contour my face, and the one I'm gonna use is by Anastasia contour kit, and the brush I'm going to use is going to be the Real Technique, this one right here, and we're just gonna contour our face. Dirty, so look at this guy. I'm almost out like of this. You could tell this is the most I use, and it's out. And yes, it is dirty, but it's because, you know, I go like that. So I hope they sell that separately, so I don't have to buy the whole palette, because I will hate to waste the rest of the colors. I don't know why. They don't just put those two together only and in one palette. because this is the most I use. It makes sense to put these two together for the people who use this color, and these two together and another palette for the ones they use. Like, it don't make no sense to have all these, because like I never use these colors right here, so I only use these two. So I put, and in case you wonder, this is like a yellow color, it's like a banana. They're my favorite ones anyway, so. And for blush, I'm gonna use this orangey color or peachy. I really don't know the color. Let's see if it has a name. Oh, Pretty and Peach. That is the name. I do not know where this blush came from. That's how you read these. ECI? EC1? I don't know. If you know what this blush coming from, or what is the name, just comment down below, because I don't have no clue. This came in a gift by Real Technique. Just gonna tap. I love this blush. Peachy, very peachy, and yes, it looks very pigmented on camera, but for real it's not really pigmented on my face. But we are going to blend in everything, so don't you worry. Everything will turn out perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite concealer. This one right here. It's by Tarte. I feel like I'm almost running out, but it is so. Be my highlighter, and the one I'm going to use is by Jaclyn Hill. This one right there by Jaclyn Hill Becca, and the color I use is the usual champagne. And I'm just going to use my Morphe brush, and this one is a fan brush. Just going to go and do this. I love this champagne, and just put it right here. Pretty. Personal looks much better. Look at that shine, guys. Look at that shine. Yay. This right here. A little bit of my tip of my nose. Forehead. Just gonna blend. This summer we want to look much glowy. My Morphe. I'm gonna tip that. Milani, and the color is Adorable. It's a pretty color. Since the eyes is so dramatic, I just want to go with something lighter on my lips. But this glossy is by ColourPop, and I'm almost out, and it's just gloss, just to add some gloss. Mascara, I'm gonna use my usual mascara. Just gonna put this. I don't like using mascara when I wear these lashes. But what can you do? Guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I completely enjoyed it. I love the colors I use, especially the Motive palette. I am very impressed. It is very pigmented and doesn't have any fall off. I am very impressed with that. Please subscribe, share my video, and hit like. And if you have any video requests, please comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.